The defense, or the fight-flight system as it's known, is how we attack and recede in the jungle for survival. The brain and spinal cord is your central processing unit, or your master computer. And in order to protect that, nature has surrounded the brain with 29 bones, which we commonly know as the skull. There's not just one bone, it is 29 movable bones, and when you breathe, there's a pumping-like action. Around the spinal cord, we have 24 movable bones, commonly known as the vertebral column or the spinal column. And then we have 5 bones which are fused, called the tailbone or the sacrum, and the true tailbone, which is called the coccyx. Nature has surrounded the brain and spinal cord with a sheath, like a balloon, and filled that balloon with a special water called cerebrospinal fluid. That fluid is a positive-negative charge. And in order to make that fluid flow against gravity throughout your lifetime and keep your nervous system activated, nature has attached the meninges or the sheath into the cranial bones, free-floating all the way down the spinal cord, and attached it into your sacrum and your coccyx. So that when you breathe, these bones move, and this is where the concept of craniosacral therapy comes in, is it forms a craniosacral respiratory pump, and that is how the nervous system works. Now, when we go in down the stairs, when we're going to play basketball, and we're going to take gravitational forces and traumas, some of which we don't even see, the nervous system clenches the jaw muscles, tightens the neck, and throws the tail up in the air like a cat or dog. What we found in our research is this is done to lock the whole pump down, tighten the brain and spinal cord away from the structure, so that when you hit, it's not sloshing around, causing neural disorganization. When you are finished with the trauma or the potential stress, the way we come out of it is through the flight reaction. We breathe, we run to mama, we run away from the stress. This is the fight-flight system. And in neural disorganization, what happens is we go up into this defense state, but take a trauma that was too great for our body to come out of, and hence this is the beginning of the end. We now stay stuck in the fight-flight mechanism.